How's it going?
Good, I'm just walking up to the house. So where are you at?
I'm like 15 to 20 minutes out.
Okay.
Want to tell me a little bit about the house?
It's not a huge place. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's right under 1,300 square feet. How does it look?
No, it's not bad. It has nice grass, has a pretty tree. It looks, I mean, it's old. It looks like maybe 50s or 60s.
Well, the seller's asking 500. Comps are like 6 to 650. So if it's not like a complete dump, it might work.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go inside. There's a lockbox here.
All right, I'll be there in a few minutes.
All right.
Bye.
A little dark. Okay. Living room's actually a decent size. What the heck is going on here? The kitchen's actually pretty big. Looks like this house has been broken into. Ew, it's like poo in here. Ew, ew, ew. There's like a tinted bed. I don't really like going to these flips by myself. You never know if there's gonna be like pests in here or a structural problem or, God forbid, a person.
What are you doing?
I'm glad you're here. There's a lot of rattling noises. I think there's something wrong with the pipes, and the house just feels so old. There's like a tent with a mattress. It's weird, like a tarp. I don't know.
All right.
Let's just go in.
Well, first, let's make sure no one's in there. The outside looks good.
Yeah, the inside doesn't.
Hello? All right. Well, what's going on here?
I don't know.
Wow, look at that original slider.
Oh my God.
That's a huge yard.
It's a lot of work.
What noise was it
It
exactly?
was like a rattling or like a tapping.
Well, it's windy today, and there's crap hanging everywhere.
Maybe something fell. Oh, it's weird.
I think it was vandalized, actually.
It could be really nice once everything's opened up. It's just so dark and creepy right now.
Well, yeah, look at the front of the house. There's huge windows. If we were able to get rid of this wall, it would be completely open, but I can almost guarantee it's load-bearing. Is that laundry?
Underneath that mess is laundry?
It's a laundry room. And that's a big space.
What was like happening here with this stuff? Listen. It's like a clanging.
Something's rattling. I don't know, maybe it's the plumbing? Something's loose, maybe?
It sounds like a water hammer. The water's catching air bubbles and building up pressure and punching against the plumbing. It can cause terrible damage to the pipes, so it is not a good thing to find.
Hey, this is a good master. This is a really... What do you mean?
So
What does that mean?
dark and creepy.
You know what? Someone's been sleeping there.
And peeing next to the mattress?
It looks like it.
No.
It looks like people have been breaking into the house. Empty houses are a huge target for break-ins and especially theft, so whoever broke in probably damaged the kitchen.
So I know you're creeped out about this house, but family neighborhood on a cul-de-sac, nice layout. The house is gonna be super awesome.
Not to mention the squatters are using the carpet as a toilet.
That's okay, we're gonna get new carpet.
Overall, I think you guys are gonna be right around 80,000. That would be taking out the wall. That does not include the plumbing. There's definitely something going on in there, but we won't know the full extent until we demo.
Okay.
The seller accepted the offer for $475,000. Once we closed, we removed all the junk that was left by whoever was breaking into the house.
Something's wrong, Jeff.
Shut off the water.
That's a lot of water. Oh my God.
Is it off?
It's off. Oh my gosh, look at that. What do you see?
the hell is the issue here?
So the water pressure buildup probably caused the pipe to burst.
So we're gonna have to start tearing in this plumbing. You might have a repipe.
That's not good news on day one.
Once we get everything demoed, we're gonna have to check the water pressure issue and check the rest of the plumbing. Hopefully it hasn't caused any damage to the rest of the house, because if I have to do a repipe, it's gonna get costly.
Looks different.
What's going on, you guys?
What's up, buddy?
That water that made a mess everywhere?
Yeah.
It looks like you guys kind of dodged a bullet, because it was this line that got pinched.
That's it?
Yeah, check it out, dude. Looks like they actually repiped the house.
Wait, hold on. You're telling me this house, the plumbing's in decent shape?
It should cost around $2,000.
I'll take it.
Well, that's great news. Random.
All right, so let's figure out this kitchen, right? So we're removing this whole wall, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is all gonna be open here. Walk through the front door, it's gonna be all open space. So this window provides a lot of light, but don't you think it would be a lot cooler if you walk through the front door, everything's open, and there was like lowers, uppers with a really cool backsplash?
I think that the window takes up so much space that if we don't close it up, like there's just really not enough kitchen. So I think that definitely close up the window and add kitchen there.
Okay, so here's another issue. If we put in new cabinets, they'd come out 24 inches. And if we put cabinets back here, it would zigzag.
Yeah.
So the only solution to get around that, which I hate to even say, but visually it would look better,
Okay.
is build out a wall here. So the whole wall's flush.
Okay, so you guys are gonna bring a wall straight across here.
Yeah.
And then this is just gonna be nothing?
Right here, we can do a stackable washer and dryer, and we can do an entrance from the hall instead.
Okay.
It's actually gonna be a pretty big space. How big of an island could we do without completely breaking the budget?
You can go 6 or 7 feet.
Maybe 7, 8?
I would stick with 7. It's pretty big.
7 it is.
Good deal.
All right, so now we have the big master bathroom. We moved the laundry. We need to figure out layout.
So what are you
Alright.
guys thinking?
So now we have this like weird dead room,
Right, so.
but a huge master bathroom would be amazing.
Yeah.
So you're saying you want to make the old laundry room part of the master bath now?
Yeah.
So shower here and then probably connect a vanity this way.
Yeah, the vanity was right here, so we could do a double vanity right here, close off this door.
And then toilet right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we did come in here, double the size of the bathroom, eliminated the side door, what do you think that'll cost?
An extra $3,000 to expand it and close up the exterior door.
So for an extra $3,000, we'd have a massive master bathroom.
Yep.
If we put in $3,000, we would get more than $3,000 back, I'm pretty sure.
Wow.
Huge wall.
Yes.
And this is like the master bathroom of $1 million house.
Oh yeah, it is. It's amazing.
So
Okay.
that being said, we have to nail the design here.
Okay, so because the neighborhood is pretty traditional, I brought white shaker, but I also brought this more of a traditional style cabinet.
I like that. This I love.
This look on the main shower wall, and then we could do either one of these on the sides.
This wall, this wall.
Shower pan option. And then we have these options for countertop. I forgot how huge this shower is. It looks even bigger with that tile.
Oh my God, it's gigantic in here. Love this pattern. I love the color schemes. I love this.
I know, it's very fancy. It looks extremely high-end. It looks really pretty.
I love this flooring.
Definitely, by far, gonna be the best bathroom of any of the comps in the area.
You know what? I actually really like the paint colors.
Yeah, it looks good. It's really cottagey.
The new siding, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it looks pretty, and the landscaping looks really nice.
So before we get into the comps, let's talk about what we spent. We paid $475,000. Construction-wise, we ended up putting $90,000 into this house. Yeah. We have $25,000 in commission and closing costs. What is that? See what's 75? So our break even is $590,000.
Jeez.
I reran the comps. They're in the low sixes. I did find one at 630. Nice house, not as nice as this.
Well, that's good news.
Right. My thought is we can push the envelope a little bit and come in at 649.9.
I think based on the comp and everything we did here, I think that sounds fair.
Come on now.
Oh, so pretty.
What a difference. This house was seriously a mess.
Looks great. Very modern. It's come a long way. Remember the slider broke?
Slider broke. I'm glad this came out great.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Traditional look with the cabinets. I think buyers are really gonna like it. The staging looks great. It really transformed this space. Master bedroom. It's a good sized room.
The master bathroom. Now this is what's gonna sell this house.
Buyers are gonna love this space. It's gonna be super unexpected and they're gonna fall in love.
This is definitely cute.
Nice.
Wow, this is nice.
This backsplash, that's different. Definitely striking. Oh, wow.
This bathroom is huge.
You can have a party in this shower.
Totally makes this house.
This house has really come a long way, and after a couple of weeks, we received a full price offer at $649.9.